Hello, welcome back to Kobelco-Knowledge. Today we will check the oil and lubricant level of the excavator. We will check 3 points: hydraulic oil, gear oil motor swing, and engine oil. Oils and lubricant are important for excavators to prevent wear and keep the machine running efficiently, as well as cooling or washing dirt from the contact surface of the equipment inside the machine. This will help prolong the service life of the machine. Every time before checking the oil and lubricant level of the excavator must be parked in a flat area. Then, raise the control lock lever to locked and turn off the engine by turning the ignition key to the off position. To check the hydraulic oil level, extend the boom, arm, and bucket where the cylinder reaches the end of the cylinder. Raise the bucket about 30 centimeters from the floor. The location of checking the hydraulic oil level is at the level gauge of the hydraulic tank, which is installed inside the panel on the right side. It will be visually inspected by observing the low level and high level marks. The appropriate hydraulic oil level must be in the middle to the high level of the level gauge. Next, we will check the oil level of the gear motor swing. The position for checking the oil level of the gear oil motor swing is on the motor swing. And how to check? 1. Pull up the gauge and wipe the gauge rod one round. Then plug the gauge back to its original position. 2. Pull it up again to check by checking the gear oil level on the dipstick. The gear oil level observation point must be in the middle of low level and high level. Once checked, wipe and put back to the original place. If found the gear oil level has low level, you need to fill more the gear oil. Next, we will check the engine oil level. The engine oil level gauge is mounted on the engine. The checking method is similar to the gear motor swing. 1. Pull up the gauge and wipe the gauge rod one round. Then plug the gauge back to its original position. 2. Pull it up again to check by checking the engine oil level on the dipstick. The engine oil level observation point must be in the middle of low level and high level. Once checked, wipe and put back to the original place. If found the engine oil level has low level, you need to fill more the engine oil. This is a basic oil and lubricant level check that you can do yourself. If you don't want to miss the story about basic maintenance that we will share, don't forget to press follow the channels as shown in this show. See you again in Kobelco-Knowledge. Always use Kobelco genuine parts to maximize machine efficiency and last long machine lifetime.